Y'all are not ready for a real bear market. Please go look at the stock market from 2000-2011 and tell me if that's something you genuinely think you'll be able to trade through. The market is up 8 YTD and I see so many people here scared about the market or acting like we're living through the end times. This is what investing is like. Sometimes the market is down and sometimes it's up. Sometimes it's down for a long time. If you emotionally can't handle that or are going with some weird herky-jerky trading strategy, I'm telling you right now you should just max your 401k contribution. Set up an automatic transfer to your investment account and look at your investments once a year when you do your Roth. Otherwise you're gonna do some of the boneheaded stuff I see and hear all the time and be an emotional wreck doing it. Seriously. If you're getting freaked out by the last month or two, active trading is not for you. It isn't for most people. That's why index fund investing is like the #1 thing you see on here again and again. Trade? Sir, all we do here is buy accumulating ETFs. Not all bear markets are the same. We may have a lost decade or things could turn around next year. Everyone acting like this isn't a real bear market has no idea what they are talking about. We're 3 years in on no returns when adjusted for inflation. We've been in a bear market since early 2022 and we're almost in 2024. Just because we haven't crashed 50 like we did in 2008 doesn't mean this isn't legit. This is a great time to buy high and sell low. Part 1 done. When will Part 2 happen? The overwhelming majority of stocks are down 30 to 60 already. That's substantially different from both 2000 to 2002 and 2008 to 2009. Both of those were more of a wave. With this one you have the wave with most everything except for a handful of stocks which have been artificially holding the averages up. If you remove that handful of stocks, you're deep in a bear market right now. I've been investing in my 401k for 3.5 years. And it's down overall. I'm pretty sure we're all aware and versed that this is and has been a shitty market. I think it all depends on what stage you are in your investment timeline. If you're young, then 10 years of a bear market would be an amazing opportunity to build your portfolio provided you don't dump everything in meme stocks. If a 10-year bull market will follow, and this will put you in an excellent position for an early retirement. If you're nearing your retirement, the uncertainty might be nerve-wracking. Are we just going to pretend 04-08 didn't happen? 00-11 is an interesting range to pick. There was a bear market in 2022. Oh look, one of these posts again whenever we are in a downtrend. I love when people push their personal idea of how investing should be done. It's all about a person's risk tolerance, and at the end of the day, if you yourself made the decision, it's easier to live with. Nothing like taking some idiot's advice on investing just to get burned. Best thing anyone can do is make their own decisions and live with them after. Learn from mistakes and grow from them. This sounds really unnecessary to me. I guess you just woke up. Buy every month. Doesn't matter what month it is or what the market is doing. I'd be happy for a bear market, so I can buy. It's a long game. My friend, you seems like you had a bad day with the market. I don't know why you are scared like that, my friend, but just stop being like that, because nothing like that is going to happen. You need to understand that. If you pay a discount for great businesses, it doesn't really matter if the economy tanks for a couple of years. The problem is only when you buy overpriced garbage, either through individual stocks or ETFs. All those smarty pants overpaying for TSLA or solar ETFs should know. If you reinvest your dividends, even the bear markets aren't so bad. YTD doesn't mean much of anything. SP still hasn't recovered to where it was this time in 21. And it won't get there this year either. You had a bad dream or something like that, my friend? Counterpoint: yes, I am. There needs to be a pretentious flair. You sound scared op, what's going on? Dude, we can't just predict the actual stock market for the future. WTF is this shit? This isn't 2011. Literally, once rate cuts start, we will be ending the bear market. I just got into the market for real in 2022 and I'm happy to have everything go lower for several years. Gives me time to play catch-up, DCAing into index funds and some crazier things like biotech. I've also been stockpiling cash in a HYSA account, so if there is a serious crash I have some dry powder to deploy. A cute lil cuddly beware. Dude, don't scare me like that because I am really not ready for such times in coming days. I just don't want to face the worst market of my time, to be honest. I have funds sitting on the sideline ready to invest over the next 2-3 years. For now, I'll take the 5 mmf interest. What the fuck is there to be ready about? You just keep buying and holding long term. It'll pay off like it always has for the SP 500. It has always recovered and made new ATHs. But this time it's different, I guess, right? This is the kinda post I've been waiting for. Markets are still up for the year and people are talking about this month of red like it's been years of it. Bear markets can and will last multiple years, so please buckle up and invest safely. And stop asking when the red will stop. All I see is discount, count everywhere. Long for 20 years. I'm not going to stop buying, sounds like a discount for me. Techs like Apple and Google seem too expensive for my blood. Love to see a drop. Started adding Disney and will continue to add below it. I'm thinking cash secured puts to start a wheel on it. People like the OP think they are smarter than they really are. Op ain't wrong. People have been and are going to get seriously hurt. The absolute key to trading a bear market is very tight stops and high levels of cash. We haven't had a proper bear in the SPX and DX in forever 'cause of Apple and friends. The rut is breaking down. The BKX, which is sitting on its 2022 lows, RN that has me the most concerned, honestly, having survived all the bears since 1998. Learn to sell, folks. Your P&L is more important than any investing philosophy. But given all the doom and gloom, I wouldn't be surprised if we get some green next week though. You mean like when the Nasdaq was down 40 check notes last year? I say, if you're not able to make money or at least prevent losing money in a down market, you should be looking elsewhere to make dollar. Who is Yall, Haas? Not pedantic enough. 410. Thank you for your opinion on what you think it takes to trade. Me forgets about having investments for the next few years. Future me, oh, these are doing well. Yay. Literally nobody is taking you seriously for being like that. Everyone just behave like this for the future of stock market. Literally nobody can actually tell what is going to happen with the stocks and the market in the future. So just stop being like you know everything because you know nothing. Y'all opinion immediately disregarded. But index fund investing also has 100 downside capture by definition. No problem with your $2,000 TFSA, but hard to stomach with your $2 million nest egg. Who truly has the stomach for that? Best thing about bear markets? You can short it, LFG traders. Y'all are not ready for a flat market. I swear, if y'all are terrified to buy when it goes up and scared to buy when it goes down, what will you do when it's flat for years? Time to put cash under the mattress.